All right. More of the wet stuff. That's right. It's April 2nd. We got more of the wet stuff going. More snow up in the mountains. It's been like the epic winter. Now it's not the number one record-breaking winter. That was in 1951 or 1950 or 51, 52, somewhere in there. And that has a record snowfall of 820 inches. We're at 720, but there's more coming and more falling up there. Might get close, we'll see. I gotta go look at an ice maker that's leaking water. And man, yesterday was a nice sunny day. I had to work overtime at the day job. That worked out really well. And we're gonna get up here and check out this leaky ice maker. It's in the next town over. And we're gonna get up there and scope it out. Look at a big propane truck right here in front of us. Let's get out there. All right, I got the skinny. So they're saying the soda fountain people are saying that the ice maker, the water's not draining right, that all the water's draining down into the bin, to the ice bin. So it's probably gonna need a scrubber dooski, but let's get up there and take it apart and see what it looks like. I got Mr. Tippins, I got my ladder over there. I'll bring you guys along. Here's the ice maker right here. We're gonna take it apart and take a look at everything. It sits on top of this soda dispenser. And we'll see what's going on. Now, I'll probably have to do a voiceover because they got the stereo on and I'll get a copyright strike. So I'll probably have to do voiceovers, just film stuff and do voiceovers. We'll just start taking it apart and see what we can get into here. Yeah, that's just gonna end up like that. Drain the sump. There's a little drain plug right there. We'll drain the sump out for starters. And we'll pull the water tubes. And we'll just start off with the big old one. Get her cleaned up. There we go. Ugh. Plugged. On. You guys ready for this? There we go. The money shot. Tasty. Just gonna need to clean up. Get it all clean up. some scuzz inside of this one. So I got the caps out. Look at the chunkalitis. Yeah, man. That's getting better. I put my eyeballs in there, I can see it. Chunkalitis. Drain line's blown out first. You know, the store drain. I'm gonna make sure it's got flow, and then we can we'll start ripping and cleaning. But I want to make sure that drain line's not plugged up. So I'll take my nitrogen and I'll blow it out and I'll show you guys. So so the drain line comes off the back right here. I took it off the ice maker and I was back blowing it, and look, it blew all the boogers out, so all the drains are tied together, which I always thought was a no-no. And look at this, and it blew boogers out of there, and then one went all the way up here and stuck on the window. I can't stop laughing. Oh, this is awesome. Tasty. And this side's in good shape. This side is in bad shape. Here's the sad part. August 15th, 21. That's pretty sad. There's a 2-year-old ice maker with a grid evaporator separated on a Hoshizaki. I gotta get him I'm gonna have to get him a coil under warranty. Look at that. That is disgusting. And that's what it looks like.